Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to detach the attachments from Theragun Prime device in a very simple way. Don't be afraid, it's not gonna break. I was afraid from as other users at the beginning to break this connection site, but don't be afraid. You have to put a little bit force, you have to pull it a little bit hard, but this attachment, as soon as it finishes, it will come out and you will change it with another connector attachment to the device. So we're holding the Theragun like this and we're applying some force back and forth. You see it came out, and we are connecting this one like this. Okay, easy peasy. I'm going to do it once more. We are holding the Theragun like this. I'm going to stand up a little bit. We are putting our two fingers from the side of the plastic. We are holding like this, and then we detach the attachment. And we are, you see, the connections here, the straight connections are going to these metal attachments here, implants. It's so easy. You see, we're putting this like this, we're applying some force, and ready to go. Let's press the power. And yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until the next one, have a nice day.